My name is Caleb Park. I am the CCO of SOTTO. Today we'll be going over a coping skill, but before that, I do recommend that to find the right coping skills, that you schedule an appointment with one of our SOTTO coaches to see what fits your situations the best to find the right coping skills for you. Let's go over body scan. Body scan helps us to learn where we're feeling the discomfort in our body. Sometimes when we're anxious, when we're depressed, or when we're stressed out, what we do is we just try to ignore them or push that down so we don't have to feel it, or we try to avoid it by doing different things. Body scan, what it does is it helps us to locate where the discomfort is in our body. And when we learn and when we're able to control that discomfort, what it does is our brain feels more of the relaxation, knowing where the comfort is or where the discomfort is. And understanding that and trying to release that discomfort from that location will help us to feel more relaxed than trying to relax our whole body instead of focusing on that one location. So, to start the technique, I want you to locate when you think about your anxiousness, your depressive mood, your stress, or your heaviness in your body. Where do you feel that on your body? It could be your stomach, it could be your heart, it could be behind your neck, your shoulders, your hands, maybe it's under your belly. Try to locate that discomfort. And once you locate that discomfort, with your strong hand, it could be your right, it could be your left. For me, it's my right hand. Place that hand over the area of discomfort. For me, it would be the stomach, right above the stomach. And with your left hand, I want you to put your hand right on your stomach. So your hand can feel, as you're breathing in, your hand can feel the going in and out of your breath. So as you're doing this, take a deep breath at your own pace. Take it slow. And as you're feeling your hands going in and out of your body, I want you to imagine that as you're taking a deep breath, this discomfort in your body is leaving. And by locating and imagining and by exercising these techniques, what it does is it helps you to relax and teach your brain that you're in control of the discomfort. And when you're able to locate where the discomfort is, mentally and physically, you'll feel that discomfort going down little by little. And for some people, it might not be a big change. So for some people, it might be a big change. So what I recommend is for you to check out SOTTO and meet one of our SOTTO coaches to help you to process those emotions as you're trying these techniques, as you're proceeding with these techniques to make these techniques more relevant in your cases. So thank you for watching the video and welcome to SOTTO.